Guys, today me and Daniel are going to be playing, we're going to be, not playing, but hunting for a fidget spinner. So let's hunt for one, Daniel. It's like, what, 7 something here? So, yeah. Once, you guys know the face reveal of us, you will not like this YouTube channel. Just promise
It's going to be about a fidget spinner that somebody lost.
Yeah, we gotta try to find it.
And we find it, and he's like, that is my fidget spinner.
Okay, no, I don't say that.
And that's my fidget spinner.
What the heck is that?
And,
okay, let's check over here. Let's check over.
There.
No. Let's go. You wanna go get those guys on film?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can.
Now, are you coming with me?
No.
What?
Just go get them all.
Hey guys! Oh, they're there. What the fuck? I don't think they're there. I'm getting you on camera.
Hey guys! What's up? This is Dan 101 and
Fidget spinner, dude.
fidget spinner dude that
I think.
is searching, that we're both searching
Would
for.
you shut up? They already know.
For what?
For a fidget spinner.
For what?
Sister over here. Are they even over there?
Yes.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. They're inside.
What do you want to go inside? Okay, let's look over here.
That's why I always go.
Let's look over here where Billy's truck is. So, there's his truck. So, you check in the truck. And I'll get it on film. Hurry. Is it in there?
No, it's not.
Okay. Oh, dude, I think I see something gold.
Yeah, me too.
The heck? Oh, that's the
fidget spinner.
mysterious fidget spinner. And look, guys, they even said it was freaking broke. See? Point it out, Daniel. Hold that out, and I'll point it out. See, guys, they said it was broke.
It's right here.
And so, okay, we found it, so we gotta go take it to the rightful owner. Which, shut up!
I told you they were there.
Well, we need to go get them on film in just a minute. Guys, in the next video, we will get these random workers on film. Won't we, Daniel?
Yep, we will.
So, bye, guys.